First, let's start clean by importing our video clip to the timeline. Above the timeline, go to the Tools menu, then select Motion Tracker. Right-click and delete any existing tracker. Click on Add a Tracker, and use the blue arrow to go to the frame with the face or an object you want the blur effect to start. Resize and move the white square to fit around the objective. Click on Track, and click Stop when your face is out of frame. Move the playhead to the point you can see your object, then select FX. You can leave mosaic on if you want it pixelated. Select Blur, then under Mask Type, select Circle. Under Degree, select Amount of Blurriness. Move and resize the blue frame so it will cover the entire face. Check Adjust Effect Size with Tracked Object. Click OK. Let's watch the result. All done. Please subscribe.